So we're just leaving the boat show right now. It was an experience, right?
Yep.
So we just finished at the boat show. This.
Oh, the selfie stick. So don't
No,
blame
it's
me.
recording. So we just recorded a whole video and it didn't actually record it.
Take
So
two.
this is like take 5 here. And that's it. So let's see. We went to the Annapolis boat show. Annapolis Sailboat Show. I think they have a motor boat show, but this was the sailboat show. So we went and we were going because we like sailboats. That's cool. I want to sail more. I grew up sailing. And also we wanted to see Sailing the Vagabonde, Riley and Elena and Lenny. We're at the Navy Marine Corps Memorial Stadium. That's where we're all parking. Say hi! Woohoo, guys! Check it out. We got the back row. So I kind of went in with zero expectations, or expectations that it was going to be totally awful. The kids were going to scream. There would be a huge line to see Riley and Elena. And we got there. We went to just go find them first so we could just get it over with. We got lost multiple times because of the docks and the people and the boats and everything. We got to the tent and they weren't there. I almost cried.
Did you really?
Yeah, I was really upset. And they're not there.
She spoke to this guy. I think his name was David, and we got a sticker.
Yeah, he gave us a sticker. I was like, how much are the stickers? He's like, just take one. He's like,
Felt-
yeah, you better give us a sticker, you
Felt bad.
jerk. We drove 4 hours to see nobody.
We're your biggest fans.
Anyways, so then we leave. Oh, we went on a couple boats. We went on a big catamaran and a big monohull boat because I was like, we can't leave until we go on a boat. And then we leave and I'm like, you know what? Let me just go find the Sailing the Vagabonde boat and let me just go on really quick. So we try to go back in and they wouldn't let us in because it was closed.
The dock was sinking because
dock
there was
was
too many
sinking.
people.
Yeah, there were too many
It
people.
was sinking.
And all the roads were flooding and everything was flooding, and so it was just, they weren't letting anyone in. So I didn't go on the boat. I didn't meet them. We couldn't go back in because it was closed. And
So crazy.
yeah, it was just it was an experience, and there were a lot of people. It was kind of crazy, but it was fun. I feel like it was fun, right?
Yeah.
How would you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
3. Wait. 10 is good.
Yeah, 10 is
Oh,
like
I thought
the
it was
most
the other
fun.
way. 1 was the best.
Okay, yeah, sure. I don't know. I feel like it was kind of like a 5. Like, it was fun.
Like you could have also spent the day relaxing, eating popcorn on a couch, and you would have been like, about the same. Like,
No, it was a little more, I guess. Like a
Better
6
than-
or a
little
7, maybe.
like fresh mango slices on a couch with like your favorite show.
I mean, that's
But
just
it's a sunny
boring.
day
That's
out.
just boring, though. Like,
But it's a sunny day out. And you could go out
it
on
is
a
a
sunny
really
day.
beautiful day.
No,
By
I'm
the
saying
way,
in that scenario.
Our kids are in the car right now and strapped in, so we could do this really quick before we forgot everything that we did. Oh, when we stayed at a hotel last night, that was really fun. Well, it was fun until bedtime.
It was the best. It was the best Western that I've ever been to.
The kids had a lot of fun swimming, and then they didn't go to bed till like 11:30, and then they woke up at 7, and it was a little crazy.
Just Benny. Benny's crazy.
That's true, yeah. But Jacob was like on top of us, kicking
Jacob
us.
too.
When you have 4 kids, You pack your dinner to bring to the hotel. Scarlett's a zombie now that she's in front of cable television. All my children are zombies. One, two, three. We got a fish. Are you a mermaid or a fish? What are you?
A mermaid.
Oh my goodness. You're the best swimmer ever. How did you learn to swim so good? Anyways, so that's our trip to the Annapolis Sailboat Show. I don't think I'd come back with the kids, but I'm glad we did it once with them, right?
Yeah.
And then now we're gonna go buy a sailboat.
Nope.
And
I think I'd like to come to Annapolis when it's not an event, then just you and I and walk
yeah,
around.
it was a really cute
when
downtown.
it's not crowded.
Yeah.
Like, I prefer that.
Yeah. Anyways, alright guys, that's all we have for you today. Stay tuned for the next video. What's our next adventure gonna be? I don't even know.
Walmart.
Bye. We forgot to mention in our final take that we went to Chick and Ruth's and we got crab cake wraps. They're really good. And some fries and tartar sauce. Well, that's it. Wish us luck. We're going home. Don't pee on the door. All done?